Here we go.
The temperature was 83 degrees with a heat index of 80. At Minneapolis, St. Paul, it was mostly sunny. The temperature was 79 degrees.
Tornado watch. And we're under it.
It was partly sunny. The temperature was 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 27 degrees Celsius.
Here we go. Tornado watch.
The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 210, effective until 11 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Iowa: Adair, Clark, Madison, and Warren. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area.
Skate. Hey, excuse me.
For the latest severe weather information.
All right.
This is no